Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss a topic Macavity, the mystery cat. Before entering to the poem, let us have an author introduction. This poem is written by T.S. Eliot. He was an American born essayist, publisher, playwright and the literary social critic. He was immigrated to England and in 1914 at the age of 25. Then within the decade, it means within 10 years, he had a strong establishment of himself and he was a foremost poet in his time. He had written so many poems, among them The Wasteland, The Love Song of the J. Alfred Buckfrock, The Hollow Man, the Fourth Quartet are some of the most influential work. Besides, he had lot of memory poems for the children as well. He was awarded for the Nobel Prize for the Literature in the year 1948. Let us see what is the mystery behind the cat and why this cat got the name Macavity. Let us see. Macavity, a mystery cat, he was called the Hidden Paw. He was the master criminal who have defied the law. He is the battlement of Scotland and flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of the crime, Macavity not there. So, the Macavity is called mysterious cat. Mysterious cat means unknown, marmamana oru cat. He is like a mysterious cat. He called a Hidden Paw. His name is called Hidden Paw. Hidden Paw, it means we can't able to find the footprint of this animal. Paw, this represents the foot of animal. So, it is called a Hidden Paw. He is the master criminal who can defy the law. So, it is the cat is called as a master criminal, well known criminal, and it will not obey the law. He is the bafflement of the Scotland and flying squad of despair. For when they reach the scene of the crime, Macavity not there. So, when bafflement, it means it creates the confusion. Scotland Yard means the police who are searching for the cat, it will create the confusion for them, and the flying squad despair means they become disappointed because they can't able to find the cat. For when they reach the scene of the crime, Macavity not there. When they went and reach the spot where the crime occurred, when they went there and what happened, the Macavity will not be there. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Throughout the world, no one is considered to be like Macavity, because at the beginning itself we had said it is a master criminal and he has broken every human law and break the law of gravity. So, it is not only disobeying the law which is meant by the human, even it will disobey the law of the gravity. It is against the law of the gravity. Gravity means we have to walk on the with the gravitational force, we will walk on the earth. But here how the cat is, have the power of levations could make the fakir stare. It means levation, it means it have a power of floating, it never walk on the earth. That is why they had mentioned it will break the law of gravity. It won't walk on the earth, on the land mass, just it have a power of flying, that is a levation. Could makes a fakir stare. Fakir stare means the saint, they have a magical power and they will, with their meditation and all, they have the power of floating, that is called fakir. When you reach the scene of the crime, Macavity not there. When they reach the scene of the crime, when they reach the place where the crime occur, definitely there won't be a Macavity. Macavity will not be there. Okay. I hope you understand the first two stanza. Let us go to the third. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity not there. So, we can seek means we can search him in the base, we can see him under, and as well as we will look upon the air, because it has the quality of flying. So, we can see it in the air, but I tell you once and once again, it means again and again I am telling you Macavity not there. Macavity will not be there, it will flew somewhere else. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is a very tall and thin. Would you know him if you saw him? For his eyes sunk in, his brow is deeply lined with a thought, his head is highly domed, his coat is dirty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he swamps his head from side to side like the moment like a snake. In this stanza, they had explained about the appearance of the cat Macavity. How it is like a ginger cat, ginger color, brown color cat. He is very tall and thin. It is tall, but it is very thin. And you could know if you are if you see him, how the appearance of the cat is, its eyes are sunk in, it means its eyes are went inside, deep inside his face. His brow is deeply lined with thought. Brow means here they represents the eyebrow of the cat. How the eyebrow of the cat, it has some lines on his forehead. It shows that it is thinking something very deeply. And his head is highly domed. It means its head was highly raised. And its coat is dusty from the neglect. It means the skin of the cat is very dusty. And his whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers means at the both edge of the mouth it has a whisker. So, it was uncombed. It means it was not properly, it was not in a proper direction. It is uncombed. We swap his heads from side to side. What it will do? Simply it will move his head here and there like a snake, movement like a snake. So, the first stanza they had explained, it is a mystery cat and it is called the hidden paw, and it is a master criminal. It does not obey the law, and it will create the confusion for the Scotland Yards, and the flying squad become a disappointment. And when they reach the place of the crime, McCavity will not be there at the first. And the second stanza they had explained, there is no one is like McCavity in the world, because it will broken human law as well as the law of gravitation, because it has the power of elevation. It means it can flow on the air, and it has it has a power like fakir stare. And again they are telling, if you reach the place, there won't be a McCavity. We can search him at the base. Seek means just we are searching. Under we can search, we won't find. At the air also it won't be there. So, the next stanza they had explained about the appearance of the cat. It is a ginger cat. It is tall and thin, and its eyes is sunk inside, and its brows are deeply lined, because it represents it was thinking something, and its head is highly domed, and its coat was dirty, its body is dirty, and its whiskers are uncombed, and it will move his head here and there like a snake. Let us go to the next. And when you think he is half asleep, he always wide awake. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity, for he a faint and the feline-shaped monster of depravity. You may meet him in the by street, or you may see him in the square, but the criminal discover, then McCavity not there. So, if you think that the McCavity is sleeping, half sleep, but it was always wide awakened. It's thinking, we will think that it may sleep, but it won't sleep, it is wide awake, it is always awake. McCavity, like McCavity, no one will be there like McCavity. He is a faint and the feline shape. Faint means to have a evil spirit like, and the feline shape is it belongs to the member of the family of cat. That is why we will use this term feline shape. So, it belongs to the cat family with the evil spirit. The monster of depravity, it means it is like a monster, it is very big and with a cunning idea. You may meet him, we can see the cat in the street as well as we can see the cat in some square, means in particular common place, but when the crime discovered, when something happened wrong, there won't be a McCavity. McCavity will not be there. He is outwardly respectable, and his footprints are not found in any file of the Scotland Yard, and the ladon looted or the jewel case ruffled, or when the milk is missing, another pecky is being shuffled, on the greenhouse glass is broken, and the thrill is past repair. That is the wonder of the thing, McCavity not there. By seeing the outer appearance, it is looking like very respectable, that it means it shows that it is very good in all the activity, but when and his footprints are not at all found in any cases, it was not caught red-handed. And when there is a ladon means the things which we can store food, storage of food. So, when the ladon is looted or the jewel case is ruffled or some milk is missing, what happened? The pecky being ruffled, it means the pecky, it means a type of Chinese dog. It may be sophisticated or it may be tortured. When they had find out that is the greenhouse glass is broken, or the result past repair, result TRESSIS means it is a wooden or the glass metal frame which helps the plant to grow, that is a frame. So, these are got repaired or got something, and when we find the What's the wonder is there? When we find the crime activity, the McCavity won't be there. So, and there is a wonder of the thing, McCavity not there. And when the foreign office find the treasure gone astray, or the Admiralty lost some plan and the drawing by the way, they may be scrap of the paper in the wall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate, McCavity not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service says it must have been McCavity, but he is mile away. You will sure to find him wrestling or licking his thumb or engaging in doing complicated long division sum. See, when there is a treaty which is signed by some foreign officers, it's gone astray. It means it was destroyed or not available at the particular place, or the ambiguity, it means the British administrative officers, they have some plan on the drawing, it will be missed, and some paper, the scrap of papers may lie on the stair means staircase, or in the hall. That it is useless to investigate, because this thing is done only by the McCavity. When we find searching the McCavity will not be there. So, the officers are telling it is useless to investigate, because they know very well it is done by the McCavity. When the scene of the crime, what happened? McCavity won't be there. So, it is useless to investigate for them. And when the loss has been disclosed and the service says it must be McCavity, they know already this things is happened only done only by the McCavity. Before searching it, it will go miles away. It will go away. And you will surely find him how he may be. When we see him, when we find the McCavity, how it will be. It's thinking that it is sitting very leisurely by taking the rest, and it's licking his thumb. You can often see how the animals will clean their body. Simply they lick their body with their tongue, and they lick the whole body. Likewise, this is licking his thumb, and it's engaged, it's showing itself that it is engaged with doing solving some mathematical division sums. It's doing some solving some division problems. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. There is never a cat of such deceitfulness and the suavity. He always have a alibi and one of two to spare. So, deceitfulness, it means it is very cunning, and suavity means it have a confident. So, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. No one will compare with McCavity. They were never, we can't see such a cunning and the confident cat. He was always has a alibi or one or two to spare. It means alibi means if the person did the crime, instead of that person who had did the crime, we will make the another two as a evidence. That is that's why it will have a alibi. Alibi means நம்ம செஞ்ச குற்றத்தை ஏத்துக்கிட்டு இன்னொருத்தங்க வேற யாராவது நான் தான் செஞ்சேன்னு போய் நிப்பாங்கல்ல, that is called alibi. So, you have one or two to spare. They will ready to spare the mistake, that they are ready to accept this is mistake is done by us. Some peoples are always waiting for the McCavity. And at whatever time the deed took place, McCavity wasn't there. So, whatever the crime may took place at that particular place, McCavity won't be there. And they say that all the cat whose wicked deeds are widely known. Here they had mentioned the two character. Mongo Jerry. It is a frictional characters. It's used in this T.S. Eliot poem. This is called the agents of the McCavities. They will ready to accept all the crime which is done by McCavity. These two characters here they had mentioned. So, they are ready to, these two will go and accept the crime, and are nothing more than the agent of the cat who all the time just to control their operation. He is called the Napoleon of crime. It is a master of crime. Already at the first stanza they had explained, and here they had given the title for the cat, the Napoleon of the crime. Let us read the poem, the McCavity, the mysterious cat. McCavity, a mystery cat, he calls the hidden paw, for he the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the Baphomet of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of the crime, McCavity not there. You listen carefully while I am reading. Once again I will read for you. Macavity, a mystery cat, he is called the hidden path, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of the Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of the crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of leviations would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So, once again I will read the second stanza. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of leviation could make the fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of the crime, Macavity is not there. Okay, listen to the third stanza. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You could know him if you see him, for his eyes were stung in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. His coat is dusty for neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He swabbed his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Okay. Next, we will go to the next stanza. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is faint and feline shaped, a monster of decrepitude. You may meet him in a by street, or you may see him in a square. But when a crime discovered, then Macavity is not there. He is outwardly respectable, and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yard. And when the lodger looted, or the jewel case is ruffled, or when the milk is missing, or another pecky is being shuffled, or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair, there the wonder of the thing, Macavity not there. And when the foreign officer find the treaty gone astray, or the admiralty some plan and drawing by the way, there may be the scrap of papers in the hall or on the stair, but isn't useful to investigate, Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been discovered, the Secret Service says it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. You will be sure to find him resting or licking of his thumb, or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There never a cat of such deceitfulness and the scavity. He always has a alibi and one or two to spare. And whatever time the deed took place, Macavity was in there. And they say that all the cats who wicked deeds were widely known, are nothing more than the agent of the cat, who all the time just to control their operation, the Napoleon of the crime. So, once again you read the poem, it is a memory poem, you have to learn the first 10 lines. See, as well as you have to go through the glossaries which is given in the end of the book. Thank you.